Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to solve question number 9, 10, 11 and 12. Question number 9. Two plots of land have the same perimeter. One of them is a square of side 15 meter while the other is rectangle whose length is 18 meter. Determine which of the two plots have the greater area by how much. So we have to find the area of the plots, and to find the area of plots, if there is a square plot then we have the length as we find the area of square, but for finding the area of rectangular plot we have length plus breadth, but we don't have here breadth, so we find the area of square plot and the perimeter of the square plot, because the formula of perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiply length, and this says that two plots of land have the same perimeter. As the perimeter of plots have same, so perimeter of square is equals to perimeter of rectangular plot. So by using the formula of perimeter we find the breadth, and after this we find the area of rectangular plot. So length of square plot is equals to length is equals to 15 meter. Length of rectangular plot is equals to length 18 meter. Area of square plot is equals to length multiply length is equals to 15 meter multiply 15 meter, 225 meter square. Perimeter of square plot is equals to 4 multiply L. So 4 multiply 15 meter is equals to 60 meter. As perimeter of both plots are equal, so perimeter of rectangular plot is equals to 60 meter. To find breadth we use perimeter here. So perimeter of rectangular plot is equals to 2 length plus breadth. By putting the values of perimeter and the length, 60 meter is equals to 2, 18 meter plus b. So here when we put 2 on other side it must be divided. So 60 divided by 2, 2 1 is a 2 and 2 30 the 60. So 30 minus 18 meter is equals to breadth, and breadth is equals to 12 meter. Area of rectangular plot is equals to length multiply breadth. 18 meter multiply 12 meter is equals to 216 meter square. So plot have greater area of square plot, because area of square plot have 225 meter square and the area of rectangular plot is equals to 216 meter square. How much square plot greater from rectangular plot? So 225 meter square minus 216, 9 meter square. Thus square plot is greater 9 meter square from rectangular plot is our answer. Question number 10. A rectangular lawn measuring 20 meter by 16 meter is surrounded by a path 2 meter wide. Determine the cost of leveling the path at the rate of rupees 12 per square meter. So as you people see that this is a square lawn and the 2 meter wide path is here. So we have to find the cost of leveling the path. To find the cost of leveling the path, first we have to find the area of path, and to find the area of path we have to find the area of inner rectangle and area of outer rectangle. So inner length of rectangular lawn is equals to 20 meter. Inner breadth of rectangular lawn is equals to 16 meter as they give in question. So outer length of rectangular lawn is equals to 20 meter plus 2 meter plus 2 meter. Why we add 2 meter here 2 times? Because 2 meter wide path here, so 2 meter from here and 2 meter from here, so we add 2 times 2 meter, so 24 meter. And outer breadth of rectangular lawn is equals to 16 meter plus 2 meter plus 2 meter is equals to 20 meter. So area of rectangular lawn, inner rectangular lawn is equals to length multiply breadth. 20 meter multiply 16 meter is equals to 320 meter square, and area of outer rectangular lawn is equals to 24 meter multiply 20 meter, so 480 meter square. Area of path is equals to area of outer lawn minus area of inner lawn. 480 meter square minus 320 meter square is equals to 160 meter square. So cost of leveling path per square meter is equals to 12. So cost of leveling 160 meter square path is equals to rupees 12 multiply 160. So rupees 1920 is our answer. Cost of leveling path is rupees 1920. Question number 11 is your homework, because as you know the area of parallelogram, and you people find the answer. Question number 12. A pit measuring 4.8 meter, 2.5 meter and 2 meter is dug. Find the volume of earth removed. So girls, as you know, the earth is dug from here, and they don't tell us that even this is a cuboid, cube or a cylinder, the shape. So you people know that pit 3 dimensions, so this is a cuboid, and the dimensions are length, breadth and height. So as assumed that length of pit is equals to 4.8 meter, breadth of pit is equals to 2.5 meter and height of pit is equals to 2 meter. So by using the formula, volume of earth removed, length multiply breadth multiply height, so 4.8 meter 2.5 meter multiply 2 meter is equals to 24 meter cube. So thus 24 meter cube earth is removed by digging is our answer. Thank you.